Here's the revised script for your YouTube channel, Car Garage. Welcome to Car Garage, your ultimate destination for the latest car reviews, news, and insights. If it's on wheels, we've got it covered. Let's dive into today's review. The Toyota Corolla has been a symbol of reliability, practicality, and value for decades. The 2025 Toyota Corolla takes this legacy to new heights with its sleek design, modern technology, and multiple options to suit every driver's needs. Let's start with the exterior. The 2025 Corolla gets a bold refresh that sets it apart from its predecessors. Its streamlined body features sharp lines, a reimagined grille, and striking LED headlights, giving it a sporty yet elegant vibe. The rear design is just as impressive, with sleek taillights and a newly styled bumper that enhances its overall aesthetic. Under the hood, Toyota offers two exciting options. The 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine provides a balance of power and efficiency, making it a great choice for daily commutes. For eco-conscious drivers, the hybrid variant delivers excellent fuel economy without compromising performance. And for those craving an adrenaline rush, the GR Corolla offers a turbocharged engine and advanced sport-tuned features for a thrilling driving experience. Step inside, and you're greeted with a comfortable and tech-forward cabin. The 2025 Corolla comes with premium materials and an intuitive layout designed for both the driver and passengers. At the center is a standard 8-inch touchscreen equipped with Toyota's updated infotainment system, featuring wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Higher trims take it up a notch with a 12.3-inch display and a premium JBL sound system. Toyota has also raised the bar on safety. The 2025 Corolla comes standard with Toyota Safety Sense 3.0, offering features like adaptive cruise control, automatic emergency braking, lane departure warning, and more. Plus, the addition of advanced parking assist and a 360-degree camera makes city driving in tight spaces hassle-free. On the road, the Corolla continues to impress. Its responsive handling, smooth ride quality, and efficient powertrains make it a versatile option, whether you're navigating busy city streets or hitting the open highway. Pricing starts at around $22,000 for the base model, with the hybrid and GR Corolla offering additional features and performance at higher price points. Whatever your preference, there's a 2025 Corolla for everyone. Toyota's reputation for durability and low maintenance costs further solidifies the Corolla as one of the best compact cars available. It's stylish, dependable, and ready to meet the needs of modern drivers. Thanks for watching Car Garage. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Let us know in the comments what you think about the 2025 Toyota Corolla and which feature excites you the most. Stay tuned for more reviews, and we'll see you in the next video. This script seamlessly includes your intro and outro while focusing on the content.